On today's body cam, we're checking out she pretends to be a nurse so the bank will trust her.
In South Florida, a woman dressed as a healthcare worker walked into a bank hoping to cash a $2,600 check. But something about the transaction raised red flags, prompting employees to call police.
I just spoke with the account holder, and they're not writing you the checks. So I just need to know how you're getting these checks and who's giving them to you, because it's not coming from the account holder. Well, that came from my boss. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, he's got to be involved. He just saw me and walked back inside.
Okay, thank you for stopping in.
Sappheiros, we have PC to hold both of them, please. Who brought you here? How did you get here?
My car.
What kind of car do you drive?
I drive a black Nissan.
153, so 1040, that's confirmed. He's the driver. You can grab him and bring him over. You have an ID on you?
10-4. Do we have anybody that can get to the front? 10-4.
Man, why don't you walk out here with me? I'm going to come back in and you see your purse. Do you have a purse? Do you have anything on your pockets?
You have my medical card.
Okay.
Yeah.
And black shorts.
Here, put it right there. Have a seat in here. 153 short female detained.
Hey, did a guy in a white shirt just walk this way or no?
So she got somebody with her, huh? To see, that's probably why she was texting. She was doing all that texting real quick, man. See, the cops, when they first get there, they gotta be like, hey, get off that phone. You know what I mean? Because they gonna be like, get away, I got caught.
He's got to be in the bathroom.
Sierra 2, what's the progress on our second guy?
He's not in the store. I can't find him.
God damn it.
He saw me. He came in here. I thought I saw him going out the front door, but
I told your wife, give me a second. Or is your mom? Sorry. All right, ma'am. Do you understand why you're being detained at the moment?
What is the reason I'm being detained?
I'm asking you. You don't know why you're being detained?
It says they said I have a fraudulent check, but
Okay. So at this time, you're being detained for suspicion of fraudulent check cashing.
okay.
Okay. You are also seen at another bank cashing another check. All right. Do you have any?
Did she get money?
No.
Okay. Where do you get these checks from?
I got it from my boss.
Who's your boss?
Old 51 that way.
Billy.
Who?
Mr. Billy.
Mr. Billy. And what do you do for a living?
Caretaker.
For who?
For people who need help. So literally 2 minutes before she came in, he went that way across the front.
Witnesses are saying that our 10-12 walked over towards Ace Hardware. Did somebody just walk in with a white shirt, number 11 on it, Hispanic male?
No.
It's the police department. Can you open the door? Open the door.
153.
Okay, you're good. Never mind. Not who I'm looking for. Nope, not joking.
I hope the elderly.
Okay, so what are you doing over here in Stewart then if you're from LaBelle?
I'm a traveling caretaker.
Where was the last place you were just at?
The last place I was just at, I was in Orlando.
Okay, that's 2.5 hours from here. Okay, so why are you here?
I have another job.
Where?
Somewhere here. I don't know exactly where. I'm always traveling.
Cap. She's full of it, man. Cap. What? Cap. No. She got to look around and say, somewhere around here. And no. It would make a little bit more sense that, hey, I don't know. I'm not from here. I have the location in my phone, like on the GPS, but I don't know it off the top of my head. That makes more sense. But listen to what she says, though.
Where?
Somewhere here. I don't know exactly where. I'm always traveling.
Well, you traveled here, so I mean, is it the address on your phone?
Somewhere.
But it goes all the way down.
Can you open up your phone?
See, the officer had to see. The officer led her in that direction to say that because she wasn't going to say that.
See?
It's okay. I don't have the right to remain silent.
You ever been arrested?
No.
You never been arrested? So you understand this is a felony, correct? Do you understand that? Okay, do you understand the story you're saying? Or the story you're telling me is pretty dumb? Maybe I'm put this in perspective with you. I've been doing this for about 20 years. And to think that you think this scam is new or I've never dealt with this before, the fact that your boyfriend or whoever that was just got out of that black Nissan and took off before when I walked out. And this is all the same. You're just a different player in the same game that I've done millions of times. So I would appreciate it if you just knocked the bullshit off. Okay? Did he give you the checks and send you in there?
No, he did not.
He did not. So who is he?
He. Do I have to say his name?
I'm not sure who he is.
He's my
boyfriend, friend.
Kind of. Friend.
Because he's not even dressed in scrubs, so he's not going with you to go do these jobs. So what is he in this whole part? Was he just along for the ride, or? So where? So let's just bottom line with me. Where do you get these checks from?
I don't know where I get it from. It's some guy though.
So do you just approach you and say, "Here, go do this, and then bring me this money back"? Or?
It's like a drop.
It's a drop. Okay, and where does that drop happen? In LaBelle?
It happens like it'll drop it at like a store or something.
And how do you get in touch with them?
Calls from a number.
He just calls from a number, says this is where the drop's at, and you go do it. What percentage do you have to give him?
Most of it. It's like.
So what does he pay you then? You say most of it, like.
I only get 1,000.
You only get $1,000, no matter how much money you do.
151 because I'm.
Good.
You know how these things work. So you go in or whatever, and then you give them the money. And then after all that, you're just good at the end.
Okay. Why would he take off from us? I mean, if you said he's just your boyfriend, he ain't doing nothing, or is he doing this too?
Oh, he's not doing this too. It's just he doesn't need to be mixed up in this. He has a kid and everything, so I don't have no kids. I don't have nothing. So.
Are you just like falling hard times, or is it just easy money?
I lost my job a week ago.
And you just need some quick money.
Yeah.
So did you do home health care? Or is the scrubs for?
I did do home health care.
Or is the scrubs just to make it a little bit more believable?
I did do home health care. I did take care of my cousins and a couple other.
That's what I'm saying. The scrubs, is it just for the act?
For this, yeah, but
yeah, I mean, that can make sense, because people be a little more trusting if you're a nurse, and I get it. So how many I know they went to another TD bank. And how many did you do today?
This was the second.
This is only the second stop.
That's it.
Okay. And I'm assuming you have the guy's phone number. Do you know was the guy's name that gave it to you?
No.
It's a bot?
It's a blocked number.
How did you initially get in touch with him?
I didn't get initially in touch with him. They had reached out to me. They have a fake name. I don't know that.
Why'd they reach out to you? Just say, hey, you want to make some money? Or, hey, I like your Instagram picture?
Everyone's always in my DMs texting me, you want to make some quick money? Stuff like doing weird stuff out. Can I have my phone around?
You're not allowed to have your phone around, no. She just confessed to everything.
Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much that in a nutshell, because 1,000 I feel like is on the high end, honestly, because a lot of times when you see people going in here cashing these checks and stuff like that, there's people that make fake checks, and for the most part they'll find like homeless people and or junkies and stuff like that, have them go in there and like do these crash out missions and stuff. But I mean, she's the crash dummy for the day. So but $1,000 cut, that might be enticing to some people, you know what I mean? But the chances that you getting caught is so high in this type of work. They're trained to detect these things. And I wonder if the guy really does have something to do with it. That's why he bounced.
So we're just trying to find the boyfriend that took it. So the boyfriend, I pulled up, he looked at me and he just started walking briskly away, and I'm like, and I could see you're in here with her. So
She cashed a check earlier that I didn't know about from the same exact. This is her.
Okay.
This is.
Same handwriting. So do you have his ID?
I have his information on our system.
Yeah.
What do you mean his information?
He cashed it with me.
He was in here earlier, but
Oh,
yeah.
come on.
But it took him
I'm just giving you a hard time.
But look, these all were cashed up north.
Oh, this is great. You guys did a great job. Good job.
this yesterday.
Yeah.
Daquan
Except for you. I'm sorry. I'm just completely kidding. I'm sorry.
These are the original checks.
I'm listening to you. I just have to keep an eye on her because everybody else is.
She's gone. They left you. She gonna take.
Yeah, she's in my car. Absolutely.
Oh.
Oh yeah, she's locked in my car. I'm just saying, like, okay.
These are the original checks.
Yeah.
From the real customer.
From the real.
I talked to this customer even though they don't bank with us. I called their bank. Hey, let me get Larry so I can make a copy.
Awesome. Right back. Hey, how long have you known Larry? How long have you guys been friends? You know who Larry is. 'Cause I'm like,
I don't know that. That's probably someone else who he has, but I don't know Larry. I really don't for real.
okay, that wasn't Larry.
Yeah, they run the term now.
Who is Larry?
That wasn't Larry. Just in your car with you.
No.
You sure?
Yeah, no.
Come on, wait.
No,
All right.
that's not Larry.
Okay.
You got a fake ID.
Good, nobody came in here in the last 10 minutes or so? No? Okay.
Just signal 14. This gentleman's not from this area, so he should be on foot somewhere.
He's in the area. He's not from here and he doesn't have his car. Has anybody asked you about?
Finding?
No, not yet.
Like, whatever it is, it's obviously something that's, not a game.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, no, he's around here somewhere.
Yeah, but he ain't get an Uber to pick him up yet. Man, you gotta dip out to a spot. Call you an Uber or a Lyft. I'm out of here. I wonder, if they catch him, because you definitely a part of it. You went and did this stuff too. So, we got to get the 2 for 1.
Do you remember what the guy passed the check for you looked like? Hispanic male?
No, black.
Oh, black. Okay. All right. That's not the guy that was with her. So it wasn't a Hispanic male in a jersey.
He was
Okay. They must have a whole group up here right now. So I love catching these guys. It's the best. So the uniform she said was a whole ploy, the whole wearing the scrubs, and she goes, I just figured they trust me.
Well, see, it didn't make sense. She said, well, what brings you up so we can the ID? And I'll go check. And she's like, well, I'm a traveling nurse. I said, does that keep you busy? And she said, oh, honey, I am so busy.
Just to confirm, she came in, she got with you first, and she tried to cash the check.
She gave me her driver's license. Her driver's license says
LaBelle,
Florida. And I asked her, okay, what brings you to Stewart?
Okay.
She said she's a traveling healthcare provider.
Okay, I'm listening.
It says Missouri, and to me that just didn't feel right.
And then you guys called the owner of the checks?
Therese called the other bank, and then the checks just look completely different.
We did talk to the owner of that account, and they verified that.
It's fraud.
Okay. Fantastic. Okay.
Yeah, and I asked her, she told me that Billy gave her the check. I'm like, who's Billy? For Billy?
You know Benny, from the neighborhood, Benny.
Oh, shit. Let me go. Who she's with?
That was not Larry. The guy she was with was a Hispanic male wearing looks like a soccer jersey.
But they're all together because it's the same.
Oh yeah, you have a whole group running around here.
TD Bank, we've got like $2,600. We got the female. The male took off, but we can't find him. What do you think about leaving the car with 2 unmarked detectives watching it to see if he tries to come back to the car? Give it like 30 minutes, and then if they don't, we'll just tow it then. All right, bye.
What's your verdict?
I'm arresting her for uttering a forged instrument. Thanks so much. Appreciate it, guys.
In total, she
That's
tried
smart.
to cash over $5,000 worth of checks that day. She was charged with uttering a forged bill and third-degree grain theft. She originally pled not guilty, but then later changed it to a no-contest plea. She was sentenced to 3 months in jail and $780 in fines. Her male partner was never located.